guys. So I want to talk to you about the difference between a box plot and a line plot. What you saw in your last section was that box plots have things like interquartile and first quartile and third quartile. Please make sure you take a look at that, actually read through it to see what that is. In this slide, I want to talk to you about line plots. Line plots can be an easier way to display data. You're typically given a table of information. Then you just draw a line, as you can see right up there. Draw a line, and then you put X's or dots for each piece of data. As you can see, when I look at the table, there's only one zero. So I only have one X at the 0 tick mark. However, in my table, I have 3 ones. So I put 3 separate X's and I stack them on top of each other to indicate there are 3 separate X's. Then when you're done, you can describe the data. It kind of organizes it and makes it easier to understand. Looking at this, I can see that my mode, which is the piece of data that appears most often, is the number 2. So most members of my 4-H club are taking 2 projects. And then you can find the median, which is the number in the middle, by simply marking off your X's from each end until you get to the number that is exactly in the middle of our data. And you'll see again that it is 2. My range is where I take my largest number and subtract my smallest number. So in this piece of data, my range is 5. And then to get the mean, you add up all the data pieces and divide by the total number of data that you have. So when I added everything together, I got 35, divided that by 15, and I get about 2.3. And that is how we analyze our data.